No specific asker pero madami nagtatanong sa amin, what's the deal with ITX Part 2? This is Pwede Magtanong Thursday. Hardware Sugar is a computer shop pero kahit hindi ka customer, gusto pa rin namin makatulong, especially sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa PC hobby. So for this Part 2, doon naman tayo sa cons ng ITX builds. And number 1 is also yung last na pro. ITX builds are generally harder. Dahil sa nature talaga na maliit yung ITX cases, mas mahirap din mag-cable manage, mag-fit ng parts, and magsaksak, for example, ng headers. Speaking of cable management, need rin na precise lahat ng gagawin mo kasi you don't have a lot of room to spare. Hindi recommended as first PC build ang ITX usually. Number 2, parts are generally more expensive for the same performance. Kung may white tax, meron ding ITX tax. Pero lately, we've been seeing budget options for ITX. Pero yung PSU, most motherboards and cooling, mas mahal pa rin. Speaking of parts, mas madami ring research ang dapat gawin kasi ibang level yung compatibility checking sa ITX. You'll be looking for unusual specs like yung height ng heatsink ng motherboards, yung height ng pump ng AIO, and thickness din ng rad. Most of which hindi agad nakikita sa product pages ng mga items na yon. So, kailangan mo mag-research or mag-ask around dun sa mga naka-experience na ng build. Number 3, ITX builds run hotter generally. This is especially true for high-end components. If you build a powerful system, you have to triple check yung cooling solution mo kasi very limited ang airflow pag ITX.